So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I would like to show you a simple full stack project using Golang Fiber framework and using React framework. So these, as you can see here, these are frontend where you click here to customize and create a customer. Assume that you want to create a customer mic. Then this customer takes a special code like this one. I can copy this one. Then I can change this one to something to do with I can say 500 to avoid 500 like that. Then I click add customer. So that means our customer has been added here. So when you come here to create order, this order here, you can create order using the customer ID, which is now in the customer ID. You can want to create order of house. Then we want to pay $400. Then we add our order. So after adding our order here, this order goes, and you can see order added successfully and SMS sent. So you're using Africa API toolkit for sending messages to customers, informing them that your order has been successfully received. So when you get order added successfully and SMS sent, order added successfully and SMS sent, that means you are going to receive our SMS here. We have to receive SMS here in this Africa's token. Okay, so let us create another order. I have to use customer ID 1. This time I want to buy a car. Then I can see that I want to pay $5,000. Then I add order there. So order added successfully. So if you come here, you can see the order has been added. Then our SMS should be sent. Let us refresh this one to make sure that our SMS is coming. So you can see that Jodo, your order has been received $400. So let us come here and try to add another. Okay, let us check the customer's ID here. I don't know which customer ID. Okay, I can try to open our Postgres and check from our customers. This is our database now. Okay, so as we open our database, let us check. This is our database, Savannah. I open tables. I come to tables. Then after checking tables, I can check customers here, and then I can select all from customers to make sure that I'm getting the right. So I can do a querying to here, and then make sure that I am selecting the right ID to add the orders. Okay, so by doing this, this is simple. You usually do let me use more letters. Can select or from customers. And then remember, in every database you have to add colon, semicolon. I mean, this one acts as a full stop. So when I run this one, our database is going to show the added customer's ID here. So assume our ID is 47. I want now to take our ID 46. This is ID 46 here. So when I come here to ID 46 and I go back to orders, so I want the customer ID 46 to create to buy something, let's say computer. then this amount I can say $1,300, then I add order there. So that means we are going to get our I may call your order for computer has been received $13. So that is how this customer is going to receive a message from his phone that his order has been received, and our database has recorded that. Let me open it. So when you come here to orders and I query to this one, then I select off from orders. Let us check how this database is working. Then I can do select. Is it to select? Select or from not users but customer orders like that. So when I click this one, I'm expecting to see all orders that have been created. Okay, let us scroll down. You can see our last order was computer, and the timestamp is here and the amount is here. So everything is working as expected. Okay, so this is our database, and this is our front end. This is our front end part. So if you want to watch this video, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to teach you how to connect front end and backend and database using React, Golang, and Postgres and Postman for API testing. Thank you for watching. See you in the practical video.